More on the legal angle, trial attorney Jeff Harris is here. Jeff, they found live rounds on this set. They admitted that. What does that mean legally for the people involved? What charges could potentially be on the table?
Well, I mean, I think everyone is in agreement that there is literally no reason why you would ever have a live ballistic round on a movie set. There's just simply no explanation why that would ever happen. And so it's clear that if you have a live round on a movie set, it's allowed to migrate its way into an operational firearm. That firearm is likely to get pointed in front of somebody. Those are all the kinds of things that clearly spell negligence. And typically negligence is something that occurs in the civil context. And if you have gross negligence, which is the kind of negligence that is likely to result in someone's death, that's criminal negligence. And I frankly think that if you have a movie set where you've got live ammunition that is intermingled with dummy ammunition and intermingled with blanks, that's the kind of activity that rises to the level of gross negligence. And I do believe that someone ultimately is going to be charged with at least criminal negligence in this case.
Jeff, according to the documents, it appears Alec Baldwin took the assistant director at his word that the gun was not dangerous to use. Does that fact that he didn't do more to check the status of the gun open him up to any kind of liability or no?
I think that's a great question. If you point a gun at somebody in the real world and you accidentally discharge it and that person is injured or killed, you're going to be charged with manslaughter if they're killed, and you're going to have a negligence suit filed against you. But on a movie set, there may be reasons why you point a weapon at someone for artistic reasons. And so it's a different question. And so really the question here is, should Alec Baldwin have done something to confirm what the AD says to him? And frankly, I've heard answers from different armorers. Some will say that no, it's okay for Alec Baldwin to rely on at least the armorer. It's sort of unheard of to be relying on the first AD, but it's okay for Alec to rely on someone else who's confirmed it. And then other people would say, no, part of the training that Alec Baldwin should have received is being able to check the weapon himself and confirm that it's empty. And it may ultimately boil down to really a question of whether or not the actor was appropriately trained in the use of firearms, and that would fall on the production company, and it might absolve Baldwin of negligence.
Jeff Harris for the Legal Look. Thank you.